Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Aussie Boy Crypto here, back for another video. Today's video I want to talk about Terra. So Terra is currently sitting at $52.64, seeing around about a 2% increase in the last 24 hours. It's got a market cap of 21 billion. If we look at the all-time charts, Terra has just gone absolutely parabolic. If you don't know what Terra is, it is a blockchain protocol that uses stablecoins to power price stable global payment system, whatever the fuck that means, but just know that it's useful in the crypto space. So I'm going to dive into some news regarding some upcoming things for Terra. So Risk Harbor is set to take over decentralized insurance protocol Ozone on the Terra network. It is a peer-to-peer insurance service that provides DeFi users coverage in case of technical glitches on the Terra blockchain. So essentially what is happening here is it's a doodle token platform that features Terra as a governance token, and essentially the stablecoin is used as collateral via an algorithm by Luna. Using Ozone, insurers who deposit UST can receive coverage when smart contracts do not execute properly on the Terra network. So this is good to see that the Terra network is expanding and the ecosystem is providing insurance coverage on the blockchain, which we haven't really seen yet. And the next thing I want to note is that Grayscale is exploring Terra and Avalanche. So Grayscale has announced that it added Terra and Avalanche to its assets under consideration. Now, this is really important because Grayscale is a big institution and company who have a lot of money, and the fact they're going to be exploring and might end up buying Terra as an asset under management shows that these big whales are hopping into Terra as a way of getting a return on their investment, obviously. So if the whales are buying up Terra, I think buying up Terra as a retail investor is a good idea, and the Luna and AVAX tokens could benefit from these news, and both are currently trading under below crucial resistance. So this spike in buying pressure behind Luna and AVAX could help them rise to new all-time highs. Now, this was written a few days ago, but our next story comes from XDeFi. Now, this is a wallet that integrates Terra and launches a liquidity program. So the platform reported 35,000 users, which is fuck all, but essentially it's a platform that's quite new, right? It's only a few weeks old. Once it launches properly and a lot more people are using their platform, the fact that they were having Terra as an integration will certainly help Terra's ecosystem. And it's a decentralized finance and NFT assets that has officially integrated the layer 1 blockchain protocol Terra on its platform. Now this is really going to help as this XDeFi wallet starts to explode and other people start using it for wallet utilization. And one of the last things I want to go into is some TA on Terra. Now this is just a quick video. I'm not going to dive into too many things regarding Terra, but I just want to show you guys where you should be buying and where you should possibly be selling. Now Terra is respecting this trend line majorly on the 4-hour. We've never really seen it broken. It's always respected it. It's always come down at certain points to test it, but we've never seen a breakdown. It's always usually a rebound, or we saw a little dip here and then a rebound again, but every time it tests this trend line, it just keeps rebounding. So obviously, just because something happened in the past doesn't always mean it's going to happen in the future. But if we were to test the trend line down here, it would be somewhere between $45 to $47. And in my opinion, I think that's a good pickup as Terra starts to expand and explore as an ecosystem. Now that all depends on if we see some weakness. Now, obviously, price has just been going parabolic since $4 to $6 back in July. But the thing I want to note is the decrease in volume. There isn't really much volume down here, as you can see, compared to when we saw pumps here and here. The volume just spiked like crazy, but demand for Terra is slowly diminishing. Not in the long term, but in the last couple of days it has been, especially because of the network upgrade we got towards the end of September, the Columbus 5 launch that had been priced in since around about the end of August. So things are looking good for Terra. The only thing I would note is we are in price discovery. As you can see, if we zoom out, these are all-time highs Terra is trading at, and buying near all-time highs is usually something you don't want to do. but obviously Terra is looking really strong at the moment. The only thing I would note is there isn't really much overhead resistance. In terms of price targets, I would say the first physical and mental price target is around $60, and then pushing up towards $65. And in terms of resistance, if we do break this 4-hour trend line, I think we could see a lot of blood in Terra, possibly coming back down to $35. Now that all depends on what happens towards this trend line. This trend line is really, really important for the next move of Terra. If we break it down, as I just said, $35 is looking very likely. Otherwise, if we rebound, $60 is happening pretty soon, within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I would say. But that was just a quick video on Terra. My personal opinion is we're going to see a retest of this trend line at $45 in the next couple of days, with a good buying opportunity here, and then a move up towards $60. But that was just a quick video. If you guys want me to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.